Have you noticed a small bump forming at the base of your neck? Your daily screen habits might be silently reshaping your spine. An adult head weighs about 10 to 12 pounds when upright. But tilt it forward to look at your phone, and the stress on your neck skyrockets to over 60 pounds. Over time, this constant strain forces your upper back muscles to work overtime. To protect itself, your body can build up tissue at the base of the neck, forming what's commonly called a neck hump, often paired with persistent shoulder tension and headaches. The good news? You can reverse the damage with 4 quick habits. Bring your screens up to eye level. Roll your shoulders back and down. Take a 30-second move break every hour. Do daily chin tucks to realign your cervical spine. If the bump causes severe pain or keeps growing, consult a healthcare professional. Be honest. How many hours a day are you looking down at a screen? Drop your total in the comments.